Hello everyone, my name is Bhuvan Agarwal and I hope you are doing good and you are liking this series on predicting the output of the code snippets given in C language. So today we are going to move on to the next question in this series. So let's get started. So this is our next question in this series. So I would suggest everyone to kindly pause the video and try to solve it on yourself. Then we will try to solve it together, right? So I hope you must have tried and got some answers. So let us see how to solve this question. So here what we are saying is within the if block we are having a condition that is capital a character should be less than small a. If this is true, then we will print TCS, else we will be printing CTS. So what majority of the people must have done is they must have thought, okay, this a is bigger than small a, so then this is false, then CTS will be the answer. So no, that's absolutely wrong. So how to solve this question? You need to know the concept of ASCII codes in C language. Okay, so let us now move on to the golden statement for this question. So the golden statement here is we know character to integer and vice versa is done automatically by the compiler. So as I said earlier that this transformation or conversion from character to integer is done automatically by the C compiler. So here compiler will see this capital A and this small a correspondingly to its ASCII codes. So what are the ASCII codes of capital A and what are the ASCII code of small a? So if we know the ASCII code of that, then we can compare which is smaller than or which is greater. Then accordingly we can print the output. So let us see what is the ASCII code of both of them. So the ASCII code of small a is 97 and the ASCII code of capital A is 65. So you need to remember, okay, as I said earlier, you need to know the ASCII codes of capital A to capital Z and also from small a to small z. If you know that, then majority of the questions will be solved easily by you, okay. So here, therefore, we can say 65 is obviously less than 97, means capital A is less than small a. So our condition is true. So we will be printing TCS. So the output will be TCS. Okay, so I hope you got the concept behind this. So ASCII code is a very important concept for solving these types of questions. In interviews, it is asked in many times. Okay, so just go for this and just remember the golden statements given in this series. That's it. Thank you.